Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Studio channel. Today we are going to be learning how to change name in Facebook. First of all, open the Facebook app. After that, tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen and tap on your profile picture or your name to go to your Facebook profile. Look for an option that allows you to edit your profile. This is usually represented by pencil icon. Tap on it. In edit profile, scroll down. In the bottom you can see here edit your about info. Tap on it. After that, scroll down. In others name, you can see here pencil icon. Tap on it. From pop-up, tap on edit name. In the provided fields, enter your first name and last name. After that, tap on the save button to apply the new name to your Facebook profile. You might be asked to enter your Facebook password to confirm the changes. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.